Hello guys, I'm Margie TV. Thank you so much nga pala sa ating birthday celebrant na si Merin Santiago. Sis, thank you so much nga pala sa pag-invite mo sa akin sa iyong greetings. Thank you so much. Nagpapasalamat ako at napili mo akong i-invite sa iyong greetings. Gusto ko naman yun.
Wow!
So, before anything else, I do like to greet you. First of all is Happy Mother's Day to you, and siyempre it's your birthday today, right? So yun nga, I'm lucky for inviting me as for give greetings for your birthday. Sana maging maano pa ang iyong YouTube, ano ba to, mag-boom ang iyong YouTube. Huwag ka lang mapagod mag-post or mag-live. Ayan. And always be humble. Siyempre, always praying guys. Ayan. Siyempre, pray lang ang ating kakampi sa panahon ngayon. Ayan. Thank you so much Sisi sa iyong love and support sa aking channel. So, I will support you also back. And thank you so much everyone sa ating birthday celebrant. So, I will sing to you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Merin. Happy birthday, Merin. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Merin Santiago. How old are you now? Always smile. Forget the stress or through the stress, always smile like me. And shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, sa mga supporters ni Merin Santiago. Ang kanta para kay Merin at sa kanyang channel. Thank you so much sis, and always healthy, God bless, and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo birthday mo, and i-celebrate mo ang Mother's Day and birthday. Ayan. And thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Thank you so much sis. Ito na ang next song natin for Merin with the channel. Bye!
Ready? Let's go! Happy birthday to you.